no students in this world can achieve self-actualization without guidance because it provides essential support to students in defining their goals, making informed decisions, and overcoming challenges. So, welcome to Guidance and Counseling course, a key component for achieving holistic development of individual personality. I'm Professor Muhammad Abid Siddiqui with over 25 years of teaching experience and presently associated to the Department of Education, Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh. I have successfully supervised 12 PhDs and guided about 45 MA dissertations and contributed more than 40 research papers in journals of national and international reputes. I have also authored 3 books, and prominent among these is Essentials of Guidance and Counseling and Indian Perspective. My other interest areas are inclusive education, educational psychology, and research methodology. Guidance and counseling is vital for developing insights among students, manage their mental health issues for achieving better adjustment and self fulfillment. This course will help students to understand themselves, develop self confidence, navigate personal and social challenges, leading to successful achievement of life goals. The course is of 12 weeks duration, comprising 60 lectures. And during these 60 lectures, we will try to understand the basic conceptual details about the guidance and its various types like educational, social, personal, and vocational, and the process of guidance. And later on, we will also study counseling and its various approaches. All pupil appraisal techniques will also be discussed, comprising standardized and non-standardized techniques. And we will also learn how to organize the guidance and counseling program at school and at university level. The guidance needs of the differently able students will also be discussed in this particular course. And in last, we will try to understand all the approaches which are used to evaluate the guidance and counseling program. The course will be highly useful for the students pursuing B.Ed course, enrolled in 4 years integrated teacher education program, BA students in education and psychology, MA and MEd students. It will also be helpful for the students who are pursuing the diploma in guidance and counseling and who are trying to qualify the NET and JRF examination. Students, to get the maximum benefit of this course, spend a few hours each week reviewing materials, completing assignments, and engaging in discussions. Feel free to ask any questions by using my email ID. Participate in discussions and connect with your peers for better learning opportunities. So get ready for enhancing your self-understanding, decision-making ability, and developing emotional stability to address challenges and achieve up to your potentials. Thank you very much for joining me. I look forward to an incredible learning experience with you all. God bless you.